Hey, this is Richie from Crazy Rides channel, and I am going to change a fan off my Love Jugs, the minis. One of the fans blew out or stopped working, and thank goodness I had the 5-year warranty I paid $50 for. It was a no-brainer, and they just sent me a new one. So I am going to attempt to change this. I couldn't find anything online, so I'm going to do this and hope for the best. Alright, you can see it is the Love Jugs. Okay, so I got a ratchet here, and it was nice and quiet until I got started, and lawn guy had to come. So that's that. Alright, so I just broke this loose, so it's a little easier to take off. Alright, we're going to take this off. There's a washer in here, careful. Alright, then we're going to take this off, the horn bracket off, and I'm actually going to turn it upside down. Oh, this is an easy fix. So what I see here is there's a ring clip that I have to take off. That'll remove the fan. But the wire, that's a little weird. I think the wire gets plugged into here, I hope. So let me take a look at this fan. Yep. There ain't much of a wire here. So apparently there's got to be another wire inside here that meets this one. I hope. Okay, so I'm going to take this ring clip off and see where that leads me to. And I think I'm going to take these screws off too. I don't think that's going to do anything. That's for the switch. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, take this ring clip out. Just walk it around. That. Alright. Try to pull this out. I don't know, this is kind of like confusing here because it just doesn't come out that easy. Why? Oh, there it goes. Okay, so I just pulled that out, and if you could see this, there's a clip right here. That's why the wire on the new one is so short. So, with that said, we're gonna unclip this. Oh, there's a washer in there. Make sure you don't lose that washer. That washer goes in here. Okay, the washer's still in good shape. So we got that. Okay, very delicate. Very delicate. Let's see. So that unpulls like that. Let's see. So I'm guessing all you do is just pull that apart like that. Put this one down because this is not working. Put this one in its place because this is the new one. And there's only one way it goes in, which is this way. So that there's a little groove in there. So there's only one way that this would go in. And then you okay. It's good. You gotta finesse it a little bit. This is the O-ring on this side. Put that back. That snap. That's a good sound. Put this one back. And that's a good sound. Let's turn it on and see if it works. They're both working. Gasket looks like it's in there, alright, and that's it. And you just reverse it. Clean up that a little bit. Throw a little Loctite on here. This goes here. This goes here. All right, and that's the job. Next thing you do, a little Loctite on there. This is the old one. Don't know what was wrong, but we now got it working. So that's it. I'll button it up, put a little Loctite on that nut, and I'll tighten it up, and that's the end of the job. So for anybody out there that's got Love Jugs and minis, I don't know about the larger ones if they're the same way of replacing them, but it's easy to replace. They're usually, the small ones are $35 a fan, unless you have a warranty for the 5 years, and then they're free. I want to thank you and for watching, and leave a comment and share what your thoughts are. Thank you.